Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Innovent Foods. Today we are making crispy, colorful and delicious vegetable cutlet snacks perfect for tea time or light meal. Let's start. Take 2 boiled potatoes and mash them well. Cutlets were first popularized in French cuisine and adapted into many Indian recipes. Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of chopped green chili, and half cup of grated carrot. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves and give everything a good mix. Vegetable cutlets are a great way to use up leftover veggies. Using fresh vegetables boosts the nutrition value of your snacks. Now add the spices: half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and half teaspoon cumin. Finally add 3 tablespoons of rice flour and mix everything until well combined. Rice flour helps make the cutlet even crunchier than using only wheat flour. Add spinach or beetroot for extra vitamins and color. Make sure the potato mixture is not too soft to hold its shape. Grease your hands with a little oil. Take small portion and shape into cutlets. Now preparing the coating. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoon gram flour, 3 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup curd, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder. Gram flour is rich in protein and helps make snacks more filling. Adding curd to the batter gives the coating a unique flavor and extra crispiness. And about 1/4 cup of water. Mix well to make a smooth batter. Stir the batter while before dipping each cutlet to keep it smooth. Dip each cutlet into the batter. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Fry the cutlets until they turn golden brown and crispy from both sides. Do not overcrowd the pan while frying for even cooking. Keep the oil moderately hot. Too hot and the cutlet will brown outside but stay raw inside. You can air fry or bake the cutlets for a healthier version. Your delicious vegetable cutlets are ready to enjoy. Did you love this crispy vegetable cutlet recipe? Which vegetables would you like to add next time? Corn, peas or beets? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovent Foods for more quick and tasty snack ideas. Thank you for watching. See you next time with more exciting recipes.